From here. Let me change the color so that 5 volts can be red and GND can be black. So we have 5 volts, we have GND. What's the next thing? AO to AO. So there is AO here. You can see AO is here. So there is that. So what should we do? So we've not connected this. We want to connect this. VCC to what? 5 volt. This is 5 volts. Then we want to connect ground GND to DND. DND to GND. Then we want to connect AO to AO. Let's AO. Okay, this is AO. AO here to AO. So what's the next thing? DO. You can see optional output. So I may not use it. Optional digital output. So then the buzzer now. This is the buzzer. So let me see. Okay. This is the positive of the buzzer, the longer one. The shorter one is the negative. So
anywhere in your window.
No. It's on this breadboard. They are not connecting to Arduino board. So we see how I connect it. So this is the positive, and the negative is this. So the positive. So the positive.
Yes, sir.
Going to pin 8. So we can see 1, 2. So we are going to 8. The negative is going to GND. You have our GND here. That's for the buzzer. Then now, what we need now, you are supposed to understand that if I want to do anything on this Arduino board, I must first declare it. So now I'm using only 2 pins. Only 2 pins. I'm using the pin 8 and AO. The AO means analog output 0. These are digital pins. These are analog pins. I think you have been, those have been explained to you last semester. Then we are using physics and ground. We don't need to declare that. Those are power sources. So, but these our pins, digital pin and analog, we must declare it. So that's why we declared pin A0 to be our MQ sensor pin. You can see. Then pin 8 as our what do they call it? Buzzer pin. So those are the 2 things we need, and we've declared it. Then now the next thing is to go to the setup. What is setup? From what we were taught last semester. What is setup? If we want to do anything, and we need to give some instruction so that the Arduino will know what I'm talking about. So serial begins. That means I want to talk with the serial monitor. That serial monitor is just like a display. So I want to talk with it. So we use serial begins for that. No, yes. Then pin mode, buzzer pin. I'm using this buzzer pin. So the pin mode, that means I want to use it as output. Then serial print, that means I want to print this when it is detected. This is what I want to print. Then the next thing is the voice loop. Voice loop means what it should be doing repeatedly. So from word loop, be doing it repeatedly. So check. This one it will just do it once, but this one it will be checking it repeatedly. So integer, this is a data type. Integer sensor value equals to analog grid MQ sensor pin. That means these programs are just like language. This is an integer value. So sensor value equal to the value of that sensor equal to analog grid. This thing is reading the value of this MPQ. So it should read the value of this pin. That means this thing, it should read the value. That's what this one is telling us. Then serial print, gas level. Serial print, that means you print us the level of the gas. Then serial printing, sensor value, you should say sensor value is this gas level. Are you getting it? Then let's move forward now. If sensor value is greater than 200, the gas level, if it is greater than 300, serial print, it should print danger, gas detected. Then you should now digital write pin, buzzer pin. Aye, that means you now do this. If it has written that, you should now do that. If this condition is met. Else, if that's not the situation, digital write buzzer pin low, that means you should off that buzzer pin, just as the case we are now. Then delay for 1,000 seconds. How many minutes? That's 1 minute. So that's the code.